Hey everyone, so I wanted to hop on and do a huge makeup haul, show you what I got. Everything that I'm showing you guys, there will be a link down below that you can shop what I show you. And if you need any help, don't hesitate to ask. That's what I'm here for. So once you click on the link, it's going to take you to another page where it will say my distributor's name at the top. Scroll down to shop now. It comes up with all of these bubbles and you click whatever one you want. You add all the stuff to the cart, and then once you go to checkout, right before you click the checkout button, there is a little box that says preferred kitchen towel customer. You click that and it will give you 10% off all your purchases all year round. So let's say Tinted was having a sale on Lipsense for 15% off. If you click that button, you get an extra 10% off all year round. That's including like Tinted, like I just said, if they had a sale on Lipsense for 15% off, you would get that extra 10% off. So you would get a total of 25% off. But if you spend $100 within a month and you click that box, that really helps me out and supports me and supports my page. So there are some freebies because some friends in Tinted are doing March Madness and going against each other. So, and I will insert pictures of everything I got. So, all I have on is my skincare. I woke up late this morning. I had a crazy busy weekend. So, I got these little fuzzy socks. They're super cute. I like them. And then this is, hold that thought. I think this is like a headband. So when you're washing your face, taking off your makeup, you can put this on. I might do a little tutorial on this. So, and then this was just a note for my friend. And then I got my hands on, this came out in like summertime when I was on vacation. This is a contour highlight dual, and you can purchase it through my link. And last time I got the medium and I got away with it, but I wanted the deep shade. So this is that. So they're the size of a Lipsense eyeshadow. So and I will definitely do a tutorial on it because that's one of my favorite things about contour. This is how to use it, and it comes in this like little bag, and these are perfect for travel. So now, ooh, okay, so this is like a little compact mirror, which I really wanted one of those. So I'm very grateful I got it. And then I was out of CCTM, the Color Correcting Tinted Moisturizer. This is a medium coverage. And then I was also out of the Make Sense Almond Foundation. This is a full coverage foundation. It is amazing. A little bit goes a long ways. And then this is the eye cream with pearlizer in it. I did a video on how to brighten up your under eye, so I will definitely do research and bring it to you guys. So yeah, and then I also got, find it. I got a new gloss because I forgot to take my other one out of my jeans or something, coat pocket or something, and it went in the wash, and it like got all milky inside, so I had to get a new one. So this is that. Then I got all of these goodies. So I got a new waterproof Lipsense mascara. You want to change out your mascara every like 3 months, and my last one was in December, and now it's March, so January, February, March, so about 3-4 months. So, and then Candlelight for my concealer and my eyes. I was totally out of this scraping. So, and the next color or thing is Lipsense Roseberry. It's a new color to me, so I'll definitely be trying that out. And then I got Mocha Java by itself. This is simple, one and done. So put that back in there. And then this is a new one. I've never tried it. It's called Mauve Tonic, and I'm pretty sure it's going to be super pretty. So that's everything. So I'm going to insert pictures of everything I got. If you have questions, don't hesitate to ask me. You can message me on Instagram at redesign16, or there's a link in my YouTube about page where you can find me, follow me, message me there. Please be kind with your words. If you would like to be color matched, I can totally do that. If you need help with Shadow Sense, which Shadow Sense is a cream base that turns to powder after 60 to 90 seconds. It's crease-proof, smudge-proof, waterproof, anti-aging, no fallout, layable, buildable. It's so good for you, and it has anti-aging skincare in it. So, yeah, I was like, I don't know why I'm putting everything back in the bag, because I'm going to take pictures. So, please like this video, and please hit the subscribe button before you leave, and don't forget to ring the bell so that you will be notified when I post a new video. First come, first serve. Thanks for watching. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome to Redesign16. So this is where I post about beauty, fashion, and lifestyle every single week. Before we get started on this huge makeup haul that you want to stick around for, please like this video and please hit the subscribe button. So let's jump right into it.